Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the lunchtime market update for Friday, December 20th, 2019. Happy quad witching day. Happy option expirations day. Happy Friday. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Before we get started, everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. Please take a moment to review this disclaimer. All right, so sorry for the delay today. I had an appointment this afternoon, but checking back in here, seeing what's going on. It was pretty choppy this morning, but we got some movement and some key names, which we'll look at in a little bit. So right now, still a choppy day, right? So total range today is 962, but we did get a nice gap up this morning, so that was something to still show the bullish side, right? So 32.2565 is the new all-time high. Pretty amazing stuff. We'll see how they finish it today. There's about 2 hours left in the market at this point to see what kind of shenanigans they can do today. So it should be pretty interesting. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at a couple things that happened. So we can look at the basically today you can see we're contained within the 15 orbs so far on the SPX. No real setups on anything. So nothing really interesting on the SPX, but there were a few that did set up interestingly today. So Netflix has been pretty bullish right overall, and I love this pullback right here. First of all, I love the inside 15 how it pulled down, and then we started to get some volume in on these candles, right? On the some decent volume here on this reversal candle, a hammer right there, and then this thing really worked its way to the upside. So this inside 15 can often become a reversal candle. We have tools that we can use to use that. We held the 50, we held the pre-market lows, right? We have some other stuff that we use in our group to show that this is actually viable up here. One little pullback to the 15 orb test, and then up. And then we had another inside 15 up on Netflix. So that was pretty impressive there. Boeing was another one that was on the radar that really is just kind of had one quick move down today, right? They had trouble connecting to the International Space Station with their one of their flight vehicles. And so it's basically just been chopping around here below the 15 orb today, so nothing really too exciting on that one. But let's take a look. NVIDIA was one of them. Okay, so NVIDIA gave a couple interesting moves, right? It wasn't huge, but this thing's been on fire, right? Since all the semis have been moving, right? This one's still getting viable, right? I love the double inside 15 down, but I also like the inside 15 up here, so that was a pretty nice move as well. What else do we got? There's another one that we were looking at today. So oh yeah, Nike. So Nike was a earnings play today. It's basically been chopping within its range. No 15 orb movement, right? Double inside 15 up, but you could tell it was just in the mire of this pre-market aftermarket stuff. So that usually is a good clue for us to stay away from that stuff. Now on our bullish list today that we had on our bullish go-to list today, we had save, and with these we like to look for pops, right? We look for entries, right? So here we had one inside 15 up, and then this one right here, nice inside 15 at the 15 orb low, was a beautiful move to the 15 orb high. Right now it seems to be holding those levels right now, so that's something to keep on the radar for the next couple days. It looks really good on the daily. Right, so the daily chart, let's look at here. Yeah, it's gotten over all these key levels here. Nice little pause day. It might be wanting to work its way up here, so that's looking pretty good. We'll keep an eye on that too. And then finally, from the game plan, we had Momo. Okay, Momo had a nice drop this morning, so that was just some nice follow through. Got through the prior day's lows, and then had a nice flush at the near the open there today. So that was good. Okay, a couple chart requests. We have HCAT. Good one. Wow, inside 15 orb up as it got through all these levels right here. Now, this is not one that I typically trade, but what I really like about this one is the how it's breaking out of the trend line right here. Now, you have your 50-day moving average here. Okay, so this is kind of recent IPO type one. So it's rejected by the 50-day moving average right now. It's right at the cloud. So see how it closes today? I love the volume today. It's great. Again, really kind of technically what we do want to see. We'll keep it on the bullish radar, but I want to see a bullish close over the 50-day moving average and over that level right there. I mean, which kind of corresponds to this level here too, right? And then see if we can close bullishly above those with some increased volume, and then see if this thing can get going again or get started. Tesla. Chart request on Tesla. So again, brand new all-time highs, 413 all-time high today. Had a little rough move down, but had a nice pop up. It's consolidating right here, right? So we're putting like kind of this bunch of inside candles right here, inside 15 at the prior all-time highs. So see how it tests these levels, see which way it wants to go. It could be an interesting move at the end of the day today. And then finally, Shop. Shop again, we talked about it last night on the free YouTube live stream, right? We're thinking that this is getting pretty close here to being done with its wave 5 up here as part of this this corrective pattern. The correction of the correction. So we have zigzag 5, 3, 5. So we think it's almost done here, and then this is actually the end of wave. So 5, A, B, C, 3, and then now it looks like it might want to be starting a massive wave, impulsive wave down. So we're keeping an eye on that one too. In terms of intraday, though, it's just been just been consolidating, but it's staying at the low end of the 15 orb range. This is really, really important stuff. It filled its it tagged its inside day low today and stayed off of it. So we'll see. Right now it's not a double inside day, but it's really, really choppy in this range. So we're going to keep an eye on that definitely through next week. Again, we got holiday next week, so Merry Christmas everybody. So so we're going to have an abbreviated week next week, and a lot of traders are gone, so it could be a choppy week. But it's also days that they could pull the rug out or do all that stuff too. So sometimes it helps to either be out of position, stay in all cash through the holidays, or if you're going to be in it, look for the best setups and all that. So anyway, guys, hope everybody enjoys the rest of your day. We'll see you at the recap, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. I'll talk to you soon.